Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, for the first you have to go for the Play Store and download application to transfer data. And I recommend you to get the CLONEit. Let's click on the install and do the same on the second smartphone. I just did it and right now I can open it. Let's wait a little bit. Right now we can tap on the open, click allow a few times, tap on the deny, allow, tap on the yes I agree, click sender on the Android phone and receiver on your Xiaomi. Click allow once again, tap on the set, turn on location with the switcher and just go back and click receiver once again. Let's click on the search again. Right now our smartphone is looking for each other's. Click on the Android share icon and we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code, but also we can input the password manually. I will scan QR code, so let's tap on it, click on the allow. Accept the request. And right now if you want to send everything, just go for all of these icons and then tap on the start. But in my case I'm going below for the details and I will send the music. So right now I will pick 3 songs and I will take these 3 songs, then tap on the start, confirm with OK. And it's finished. So right now we can check if it is working. So go for the file manager. And probably it will be in the music. Yes, it is here. So this is how it works. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.